In the rapidly evolving world of in-car technology, 7-inch Android car stereos have emerged as one of the most sought-after upgrades for modern drivers. Over the past year, the market has witnessed a wave of new releases, each packed with advanced features designed to transform the driving experience. From seamless smartphone integration to wireless connectivity and enhanced safety options, these devices are redefining what it means to have a connected car. One standout in the current lineup is the JENSEN J1CA7 7-inch car stereo, which has garnered considerable attention since its review in January 2025. This model is praised for its user-friendly interface and robust compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The JENSEN J1CA7 features a highly responsive touchscreen that makes navigating menus, switching between apps, and controlling music playback effortless. Its intuitive controls allow drivers to keep their focus on the road while easily managing their entertainment and navigation needs. Importantly, the JENSEN J1CA7 is designed for broad compatibility, fitting a wide range of vehicle models, which makes it an attractive option for those seeking a smooth upgrade to their existing in-car systems. Ease of installation and stable connectivity are also high on the list of consumer priorities, and the motor-size 7-inch double-din car stereo delivers on both fronts. Users have highlighted the straightforward installation process, which means less time in the workshop and more time enjoying enhanced audio quality. The motor-size boasts a responsive touchscreen and robust Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring stable hands-free calls and seamless music streaming. A notable feature is the inclusion of a rear-view camera, offering added safety when parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. This focus on user convenience and safety reflects a broader trend within the industry, where multifunctionality and integration are becoming the norm. The shift towards wireless technology is another significant development in the 7-inch Android car stereo market. Models such as the PLZ7 wireless double-din car stereo and the iWii IK7 car stereo are at the forefront of this movement. These units offer wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to connect their smartphones without the hassle of cables. This not only reduces clutter, but also streamlines the process of accessing navigation, music, and voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. For those who rely on GPS navigation or prefer voice control over touch inputs, these features represent a major leap forward in convenience and functionality. Safety and smart features continue to play a key role in product development. The latest 7-inch Android car stereos often include built-in dash cams, GPS navigation, and support for voice commands. These additions cater to drivers who prioritize both security and ease of use. For instance, built-in dash cams offer peace of mind by continuously recording your journey, while integrated GPS ensures you never miss a turn. Voice control, meanwhile, enables hands-free operation, letting drivers manage calls, messages, and music without taking their hands off the wheel. Manufacturers are clearly responding to the diverse needs of today's drivers by focusing on connectivity, user interface design, and expanded feature sets. Whether you're looking for improved audio quality, smarter navigation, or enhanced safety, the latest 7-inch Android car stereos deliver on all fronts. The push towards wireless integration and broader smartphone compatibility is especially notable, as it reflects a growing consumer demand for seamless, intuitive, and clutter-free driving experiences. As we move further into 2025, it's clear that the 7-inch Android car stereo market will continue to innovate, offering even more advanced features and smarter integration options. For tech-savvy drivers and those simply looking to upgrade their daily commute, these devices represent the cutting edge of in-car entertainment and connectivity. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for ongoing updates and in-depth reviews on the latest high-tech automotive gadgets. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.